Korean cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today we're heading to Korea, a country known for its bold flavors, rich food culture, and communal dining experience. We'll explore some of the most famous and delicious Korean dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1, the essence of Korean cuisine. Korean cuisine is all about bold flavors, fermentation, and balance. It's deeply influenced by its use of gochujang, red chili paste, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and fermented ingredients like kimchi. Meals are often served with banchan, side dishes, that add variety and depth to the dining experience. Another key feature of Korean food is heat and spice. Many popular dishes bring a fiery kick, making Korean cuisine a paradise for spice lovers. Now let's dive into some of the must-try dishes when visiting Korea. Theme 2, famous Korean dishes and where to eat them. Kimchi Jjigae, Kimchi Stew. This spicy, hearty stew is made with aged kimchi, pork, tofu, and vegetables. It's a beloved comfort food in Korea, perfect for cold weather. The best places to try it are traditional Korean restaurants and local eateries in Seoul's Gwangjang Market. Bibimbap, a vibrant rice dish topped with sautéed vegetables, a fried egg, and spicy gochujang sauce. It's a well-balanced, nutritious meal. Jeonju is famous for its authentic bibimbap. Samgyeopsal, grilled pork belly. A staple of Korean BBQ, Samgyeopsal is thick-cut pork belly grilled at the table and wrapped in lettuce with garlic, samjang, spicy paste, and kimchi. The best experience can be found at BBQ spots in Seoul's Hongdae and Itaewon districts. Jjajangmyeon, black bean noodles, a Korean Chinese dish featuring chewy noodles in a rich, savory black bean sauce with pork and vegetables. The best jjajangmyeon is found in Incheon's Chinatown. Korean fried chicken, extra crispy, double-fried chicken coated in sweet, spicy, or soy garlic sauce. It pairs perfectly with beer, making it a popular late-night snack. Try it at Kyochon Chicken or BHC Chicken in Seoul. Tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes. Soft rice cakes in a sweet and spicy red chili sauce. This popular street food is best enjoyed at Myeongdong Street Food Market. Sundubu Jjigae, soft tofu stew. A spicy, bubbling stew made with silken tofu, seafood, or pork, and topped with a cracked egg. This dish is comforting and flavorful, found in traditional restaurants across Busan and Seoul. Bulgogi, marinated BBQ beef. Thinly sliced beef marinated in a sweet and savory sauce, grilled to perfection. The best bulgogi can be found in Seoul's traditional Hanok villages and specialty BBQ restaurants. Naengmyeon, cold noodles. Refreshing buckwheat noodles served in an icy broth, often enjoyed in the summer. It's best tried in Pyongyang-style Naengmyeon restaurants in Seoul. Gimbap, Korean sushi rolls. Seaweed-wrapped rice rolls filled with vegetables, egg, and sometimes meat, making for a convenient and tasty snack. Street vendors and markets throughout Korea offer the best versions. Each of these dishes represents a unique part of Korea's rich food culture, offering a mix of bold flavors, textures, and communal dining experiences. Theme 3, travel tips for food lovers. Explore traditional food markets like Gwangjang Market in Seoul for authentic street food experiences. Try Korean BBQ at a self-cooking restaurant for an interactive dining experience. If you love spice, ask for extra gochujang in dishes like Tteokbokki or Kimchi Jjigae. Don't forget to enjoy makgeolli, Korean rice wine, or soju with your meal to enhance the authentic experience. Many Korean meals come with free banchan side dishes, so don't be surprised when they bring small plates to your table. Ending, let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit Korea, don't miss the chance to try these amazing dishes. They tell a story of tradition, spice, and incredible flavor. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore India's rich and flavorful cuisine. including the famous butter chicken and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.